Hi everybody! Here we are for color of the season, Ivory. Ivory sits within the rise of soft minimalism, which is one of the biggest trends of our decades. We have entered an era of natural whites, creamy shades with a hint of earthy clay that gives us more the feeling we are connected back to nature. The color Ivory has a gentle touch of gold, but still is soft and sophisticated. Let's start. On my model MA, I prepped the hair with a highlight technique with SilkLift and 6%. And now I'm gonna do the Ivory color with Colorance from roots to mid-length and ends. Let's start. So here the end result of Color of the Season Ivory. We really want to see your creation on Color of the Year. Please share it with us on your social media, hashtags Goldwell Color of the Season, and we would love to see what you create with this color. Thank you for watching. Hope you can follow us on YouTube and see you next time. Bye.